PSC റാങ്കറിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്നലെ അതായത് 27/6/2025 PSC നടത്തിയിട്ടുള്ള ഓവർസിയർ സിവിൽ, സൈറ്റ് എഞ്ചിനീയർ ഗ്രേഡ് 2, പിന്നെ സിവിൽ സബ് എഞ്ചിനീയർ, ഫസ്റ്റ് ഗ്രേഡ് ഡ്രാഫ്റ്റ്സ്മാൻ മുതലായ പരീക്ഷയുടെ PSC തന്നെ തന്നിട്ടുള്ള പ്രൊവിഷണൽ ആൻസർ കീയാണ് വായിക്കാൻ പോണത്. അപ്പോൾ ഈ ആൻസർ കീ പ്രകാരം നിങ്ങളുടെ സ്കോറ് മനസ്സിലാക്കുക. ഓക്കെ, ഇതിൻ്റെ കറക്ഷൻ കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ള ഫൈനൽ ആൻസർ കീ PSC പിന്നീട് പബ്ലിഷ് ചെയ്യും. നിങ്ങൾ ഈ ചാനൽ ഇതുവരെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാത്തവരാണെങ്കിൽ ദയവ് ഇത് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങളിലേക്ക് കിടക്കാം. ഒന്നാമത്തെ ചോദ്യം, ഗണ്ടേഴ്സ് ചെയിൻ ഈസ് ഓൾസോ നോൺ ആസ്. സി ആണ് സർവേയേഴ്സ് ചെയിൻ. ഇനി 2, ഇൻ ചെയിൻ സർവേയിങ് ദ കോമ്പൻസേറ്റിംഗ് എറർ ഈസ് കോസ്ഡ് ബൈ ബി കെയർലെസ് ഹോൾഡിംഗ് ആൻഡ് മാർക്കിംഗ്. ഇനി 3, in ranging, if the surveyor raises both the hands above his head and then brings them down as a signal to his assistant, what does it indicate? C ആണ് the ranging rod is at correct position. 4, in a plane table surveying, dash instrument is used to sight an object. Validate A ആണ്. ഇനി 5, trial and error method in plane table surveying is also known as B ആണ് layman's method. ഇനി 6, in leveling, plus sight is also known as a back sight. 7, any surface to which elevations are referred is known as D datum. 8, in a whole circle bearing system, n 18 degree 15 west to A ആണ് 341 degree 45 minutes. 9, the instrument used for measuring an area on a contour map, C planimeter. 10, the bearings of the lines AB and BC are 130 degree and 50 degree. The included angle ABC is a 100 degree. ഇനി 11, which of the following statement is correct about measurement of vertical angle using total stations? B, it is measured as zenith angle. 12, theodolite can be used for ഇവിടെ എല്ലാം ഉണ്ട്, all of the above D. ഇനി 13, the least count of a theodolite is a 20 minute. 14, if the latitude of a line is positive and departure is negative, then the line is in the 4th quadrant, D ആണ്. 15, if the sum of latitude is 4 meter and the sum of departure is 3 meter, then the closing error of the traverse will be C 5 meter. 16, in the length of a long chord of a circular curve of radius r, deflection angle delta degree is given by D ആണ് 2r sin delta by 2. 17, in a simple circular curve of radius 300 meter is to be set out on field. Calculate the value of verse sine for the curve if the deflection angle delta equals 120 degree. C 150 meter. 18, which of the following is an example of vertical curve? C summit curve. 19, modern electronic distance measurement measures distance by the measurement of phase difference between transmitted and reflected signals. 20, total station is a combination of the electronic theodolite and EDM. 21, for a project, which of the following estimate is accorded sanction in a technical sanction? C detailed estimate. 22, problem ആണ്, calculate the approximate cost of building ആണ് 15 lakh. B ആണ് ഉത്തരം. 23, annual sinking fund is given by D. Sinking fund I equals SI by 1 plus I raised to n minus 1. 24, consider the following statements with respect to cubical content method. രണ്ട് സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെൻറ്റ് തന്നതിൽ ട്രൂ ആണ്, ബോത്ത് ഓഫ് ദ സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെൻറ്റ് ആർ ട്രൂ. A ആണ്. 25, if the estimated cost of a project is increased due to unforeseen expenses, it is known as C contingencies. 26, which of the following estimate is done to account the cost required to keep the built structure in safe and working condition? D repair and maintenance estimate. 27, which of the following is the IS code for method of measurement of building and civil engineers works? B ആണ് IS 1200. 28, for sanitary work, what percentage of the estimated cost is usually provided? C 8%. 29, a room is 5 meter into 3 meter with 20 centimeter wall all round. The estimated length of the wall by central line method will be C 16.8 meter. 30, no deduction shall be made for openings like ventilators, floors, etc. Having opening up to 0.1 square meter in section. 31, a good building stone should not absorb 5% of water by weight when kept immersed in water for 24 hours. 32, dimensions of a modular brick as per Indian standards is 19 into 9 into 9 centimeter. A ആണ്. 33. Fine aggregate are those aggregates C which passes through 4.75 mm ISEU. 34. For testing workability of concrete, which test among the following is used? എല്ലാം ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ D, all of the above. 35. Admixtures added to increase the rate of early strength development in concrete. B, accelerating admixtures. 36. Cracks or clefts developing longitudinally in the logs after their felling, which are cutting across the annual rings of the log. B, checks. 37. Thickness of 3 plies shall be A, 3, 4, 5, 6 mm. 38. Apparatus used for testing soundness of cement. B, Le Chatelier apparatus. 39. Blast furnace is used for the manufacture of a pig iron. 40. Chalcocite is an ore of C, copper. 41. Load bearing partition wall is called to be B, internal wall. 42. Incline or splayed surface on the abutment which is prepared to receive the arc and from which the arc springs are called skews back. 43. Triangular upper part of the wall formed at the end of a pitched roof is known as a gable. 44. Vertical member which is placed at the ends of the flies to connect the ends of strings and handrail. C, newel post. 45. Wooden pieces which are placed horizontally on principal rafters to carry the common rafters are known as C, purlins. 46. Bearing of the lintel should be a minimum of L&D, upper D, all of the above. 47. The minimum stripping time of soffit formwork to beams be 7 days. 48. Vertical members of the scaffolding framework supported on the ground or embedded into the ground. D, standards. 49. Independent footings of 2 columns connected by a beam is called C, strap footing. 50. Process of filling up hollow spaces in the solid background before applying the main body of plaster. A, dubbing coat. 51. Fill in the blanks ആണ്. അതിന് lateral strain C ആണ്. ഇനി 52. Maximum bending moment of a cantilever beam of span L subjected to a total load of W kilonewton as UDL will be B, WL by 2. 53. Change in volume of thin cylinder of diameter D, thickness T, internal pressure P and modulus of elasticity E is PD by 40 into 5 into 5 minus 4 mu. 54. Unit of section modulus C, meter cube. 55. Maximum shear stress for a simply supported beam of rectangular cross section B into D subjected to a shear force F is C, 3F by 2BD. 56. Polar section modulus of a circular section with D as diameter B, pi d cube by 60. 57. ഇവിടെ തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന ഫിഗറിൻ്റെ ഷിയർ ഫോഴ്സ് ആണ് ചോദിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത് സി പോയിന്റിലുള്ള 0 kilonewton ബി ആണ്. 58. The property of a material which enables it to resist fracture due to impact load is known as D, toughness. 59. A simply supported beam of rectangular cross section 300 mm into 400 mm having span 6 meter is subjected to a UDL of 8 kilonewton per meter. Calculate the stress at the neutral axis. B, 0 Newton per millimeter square. 60. Line of action of forces pass through a single point. Such forces are called to be concurrent forces. B ആണ്. 61. Which of the following is not an index property of soil? D, permeability. 62. What is the lowest water content at which the soil is fully saturated? D, shrinkage limit. 63. The maximum size of clay particle 0.002 mm. C ആണ്. 64. When the hydraulic gradient value is 1, what is the velocity of flow of water through the soil? A, coefficient of permeability. 65. Which footing is the most suitable when a row columns are very closely spaced that their spread footings are overlap or nearly touch each other? B, strip footing. 66. Piles used for foundation and other temporary works are categorized as class B. Such piles have diameter less than 30 cm. A ആണ്. 67. The pressure intensity which is considered safe both with respect to shear failure and settlement is called B, allowable bearing capacity. 68. The standard penetration test is most frequently used to measure the relative density of granular soils. 69. When the products of rock weathering are not transported as sediments but remain in place, the soil is known as residual soil. 70. The weight of soil mass is expressed as D, Newton per meter cube. 71. The runoff increases with B, increase the intensity of rain. 72. The major resting force is in a gravity dam is C, self weight of dam. 73. In the ratio between the area of crop irrigated and the quantity of irrigation, water required during the entire period of the growth of that crop is known as B duty. 74. Irrigation is needed where rainfall is all of the above, D. 75. Hydrology is the science which deals with C, all aspects of water available on earth. 76. Dickens' formula for high flood discharge is useful for the catchment in northern India, B. 77. The gap or margin between full supply level and top of the bank is called a freeboard. 78. Earth dam could be constructed with only D, clay. 79. In a super passage, the full supply level of the canal is lower than the underside of the trough carrying drainage water. 80. Soil erosion is caused by drag action of wind, abundant rainfall, unprotected soil surface. All of the above D ആണ്. 81. The value of the camber recommended for thin bituminous surface roads in areas of heavy rainfall, C, 1 in 40. 82. The transition curves are provided on the approach to horizontal curves in order to reduce jerk to allowable levels. 83. At highway stretches where the required overtaking sight distance cannot be provided, it is necessary to incorporate B, at least twice the stopping sight distance. 84. In a cement concrete pavement, double bars are used in C, expansion joints. 85. Mud pumping is commonly associated with D, cement concrete pavement on clay subgrade. 86. Desire lines are drawn based on D, origin and destination studies. 87. On Indian Railways, the standard length of rails for broad gauge track is 12.8 meters C ആണ്. 88. The longitudinal movement of rails in a track is known as C, creep. 89. As far as possible, the alignment of bridge should be B, square alignment. 90. A ship is berthed in a chamber and lifted by principles of buoyancy. Such a chamber is called C, floating dock. 91. Answer, order of this unit process in a conventional water treatment plant is B ആണ്. PS, RM, F, SS, RSF, C എന്നുള്ളത്. Excessive fluoride in drinking water causes 92. B ആണ്, mottling of teeth and embrittlement of bones. 93. In disinfection, which of the following forms of chlorine is most effective in killing the pathogenic bacteria? D ആണ്, HOCl. 94. A combined sewer is one which transports D, domestic sewage, industrial waste and storm water. 95. Chemical oxygen demand of a sample is always greater than biochemical oxygen demand since it represents B, biodegradable and non-biodegradable organic matter. 96. High COD to BOD ratio of an organic pollutant represents a low biodegradability of the pollutant. 97. Which one of the following is a measure of light emitting properties of wastewater? C, turbidity. 98. The theoretical time taken by a particle of water to pass between entry and exit of a settling tank is known as B, detention period. 99. Zero hardness of water is achieved by C, ion exchange treatment. 100. Which of the following method is used to forecast the population of young and rapidly increasing city? B, geometrical increase method. അപ്പോൾ ഇത്രയാണ് ഈ പരീക്ഷയുടെ PSC തന്നിട്ടുള്ള പ്രൊവിഷണൽ ആൻസർ കീ. അതായത് ഓവർസിയർ, സൈറ്റ് എഞ്ചിനീയർ ഗ്രേഡ് 2, പിന്നെ സിവിൽ സബ് എഞ്ചിനീയർ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഗ്രേഡ് ഡ്രാഫ്റ്റ്സ്മാൻ എന്നീ പരീക്ഷകളുടെ PSC തന്നിട്ടുള്ള പ്രൊവിഷണൽ ആൻസർ കീ. അപ്പോൾ ഈ ആൻസർ കീയിലെ കറക്ഷനൊക്കെ കഴിഞ്ഞ് ഫൈനൽ ആൻസർ കീ പിന്നീട് PSC തന്നെ പബ്ലിഷ് ചെയ്യും. ഓക്കെ, നിങ്ങൾ ഈ ചാനൽ ഇതുവരെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാത്തവരാണെങ്കിൽ ദയവ് ഇത് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുകയും ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുകയും ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുകയും കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുകയൊക്കെ ചെയ്യാം. ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക് യു.